everyone! If you're looking to sell your Houston home faster than your neighbor, stick around because I've got some killer tips for you. First off, let's talk curb appeal. Your home's exterior is the first thing buyers see, so make it count. Trim those hedges, put out some fresh flowers, and maybe even give your front door a pop of color with a fresh coat of paint. It makes a world of difference. Next up, pricing. You might think setting a high price will leave room for negotiation, but that's a big no-no. Instead, price it just right based on comparable homes in your area. This attracts more buyers and could even spark a bidding war. Photos. Seriously, don't skimp on this. Get a professional photographer to capture your home in the best light. Great photos can make your listing stand out like a gem in a sea of rocks. Now declutter and depersonalize. Buyers need to envision themselves living in your space. Pack away family photos and clear out unnecessary items. Think minimalist chic. Another tip, be flexible with showings. The more people that can see your home, the faster it will sell. So keep your schedule open and your home show ready at all times. Lastly, consider hiring a top-notch real estate agent. They know the Houston market like the back of their hand and can help you navigate the entire process smoothly. So there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and you'll be handing over those keys in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy selling! Catch you next time.